welcome back to Daytime Live. So right now we're going to buzz with some regional trending topics. Antigua and Barbuda Prime Minister Gaston Brown has called on Sandals Resorts International, or SRI, to consider removing its property from the country due to ongoing tax disputes. So Brown accused the luxury hotel chain, which owns the Sandals Grand Antigua Resort, of owing approximately US $11.1 million in taxes, and urges the company to cooperate with local authorities.
Well, Brown referred to Sandals' business model as colonialist. Wow, it's a colonialist approach that exploits Caribbean workers and governments. Brown emphasized the need for wages for workers and for Sandals to make a meaningful contribution to the country. He also warned that if the company continues to prioritize its profits over fair treatment of staff and governments, it should consider relocating operations. Of course, Sandals Resort International has yet to respond to these accusations. Wow. All right. Can't blame him. It's son of him country.
You see. No, you get a impression of the entire industry now. Now you understand that, because you're going to see more of these things pop up. Because if you notice, it just happened here. And manager had to resign because of the uproar from the staff. So you see, it's not only we alone it affects.
No,
there's actually places where it is accused that we are doing it to others.
Yeah, man. The thing is, we're all connected, and not because one story is happening in one place doesn't mean it's not happening elsewhere. What's beautiful about social media is that it really shows these things all across the board if you're paying attention.
Yeah.
So that's one of the things I appreciate about it. Some of the things we think are just we one, when we look, is happening to others.
And not only that it's happening to others, it's happening to others because of us.
Because of Jamaicans.
Yeah, right. So it's a situation where you're the victim, quote unquote, on this side, and then over here you're the the oppressor.
What goes around comes around.
Yeah, so
karma?
It is an industry to pay close attention to, especially because we will be, as a country, will be paying so much closer attention to it.
Yeah, but now I'm putting my tourism industry here, please and thank you.
So that's what I'm saying. So that's what I'm saying. So it's a situation now where, because so much attention is being placed on tourism, these things are
doing so well.
Scrutinized.
Yes, please. You have to be careful. Okay. All right, next in buzz.
Yeah, okay, so the government of Guyana is set to distribute $478 in Guyanese dollars to each citizen over the age of 18, both domestically and abroad, and this is a part of its efforts to share its newfound oil wealth. This follows the economic discovery of oil reserves in 2015, which turned Guyana into one of the fastest growing economies globally.
Oh, I think that's nice, but the cash has been wildly talked about for its long-term impact. But economists like Richard Rambaram caution that the money could contribute to inflation, while others like MP Ganesh Mahipal believe the grant should be a part of a broader ongoing structure for cash transfers to ensure fairness across the board. But despite the controversy, the payout is seen as a vital financial boost, particularly for communities in need. Boy, right now I feel like go to Guyana and become, I appreciate the gesture, despite the concerns that the economists might have. And they're probably playing the long game, but I appreciate the gesture. You'll find some extra money because of the oil and you're sharing it with the citizens. Warm to that. Catch creative face. You don't want it?
No.
You know what we make?
What? For what?
What do you mean for what? They want to share the wealth that they've discovered. What's wrong with that?
I have a career, give me a job, man.
You want a job?
Yeah, man,
you want a job?
Give me a contract, man.
That's how you, but I'm sure it's a whole heap of people appreciate it.
I want a contract, man.
They must share the wealth. Me like the concept.
I trust them.
You don't trust them?
No.
You just don't trust the government?
It's quick.
Me not trust phone.
Quick, man. 2015, that's 9 years.
That's quick for you?
It's quick.
Maybe they had a team
Guyana,
working
I went to Guyana this year. I traveled through Guyana. I never even recognize it. I see the
different.
I say, yo,
man. Yeah.
And that's so much money they have, man.
They've done a lot of improvements, you know.
Them are right, cash.
The whole heap of improvements, okay? No, man.
Anytime you see government that give away money,
something wrong.
Please pay attention. Anytime you see government that give away money, then just why you follow them for do something.
For do something.
Something.
You say they're going to ask back for it in some way or the other.
One way or the other. You know one.
Well, in the meantime, take it, them to ask it.
$487?
Yeah, want to that.
Change nobody's life? You think it'll change people's life?
Look, there are people who 400 and how much?
No,
$87, $78.
I'm not saying it's insignificant.
It means so much to them in that moment.
Yes, and I understand that. But what I'm saying is, I don't see how that is going to make a significant difference in the standard of living of anybody.
Might not, but it will plug a hole. Somebody want to plug something. It might help. It might help. You can send this $400 to me. I'll give you my Western Union information.
If your main objective is to plug a hole, look out for the money.
Daytime Live will be right back. We're not really plugging anything, but we do have a game. You want to stick and stay for that one. Soon come.